Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another head-to-head for you guys. Today, we got a special guest. We got Chris from Truck Guru.
I don't know how special I am, but yes, my name is Chris, and I am the owner and operator of Truck Gurus. I absolutely love what I do. Like they say, if you love what you do, it's not really work.
Yeah.
So technically, I'm a bum, and I don't work. So.
All right, really quick, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, customoffsets.com. Also, we're doing another giveaway. You guys can pick up this t-shirt or hoodie at customoffsets.com/giveaway. Get yourself entered to win complete free full build. This is actually the biggest build giveaway that we've done yet. It's TIS wheels, Toyota tires, BDS suspension, a Road Armor front stealth bumper, and a black label lighting rock light kit. So
a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah, a lot of cool stuff. So let's hop into it. So on the left, we got a 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 HD running some Fuel Maverick in a 20x12 -44 offset.
In your favorite color.
Yeah. We already chatted about this. The whole audience knows I'm not a huge fan of red. Toyota tire, open country MTs in a 35, 13.5, and a
8-inch lift.
8-inch lift. Yep.
That's not a bad looking truck.
No, looking at some details, he's got slight rub at full turn, minor plastic trimming. He trimmed the front bumper a little bit. He's got 2-inch spacers in the rear, probably to match the track width.
It's a pretty aggressive setup for a gas truck at that height. So
yeah, it is.
I could see why it would need a little trimming.
Yeah. And then he's got carbon fiber engine covers, carbon fiber interior mods, billet handles, grill, and billet interior mods with
which
pedals.
We cannot see.
Yeah, well, we might be able to see once we get to the photos. Roll pan on the rear, stage 2 cam with Jegs shorty headers with Flowmaster Super 44 exhaust.
Lost me at roll pan, so I take it he doesn't use his truck.
I don't know, I think it's a show truck. What do you think?
Show trucks can be used, and I am proof of that.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's clean. I definitely like the color. I like the way red pops in with that billet accent and the chrome accents. I think that looks really sharp.
All right, hopping into what it's up against on the right, 2009 Dodge Ram 1500, Fuel Mavericks as well in a 2212 -44. He's running some Antares majors in a 305 45 and a Ranchero suspension lift of 2.5 inches.
Rancho suspension, and it's a small lift too. So
yeah,
he's not as high as this other guy.
No rubbing, no scrubbing, no trimming, no spacers. He's got the 2.5-inch struts and shocks, 2-inch upper control arm, and rear blocks tint exhaust. And that pretty much sums it up. Taking a look at some photos. All right, 3, 2, 1, left. See, I even picked the red truck. Come on.
Hats off to you, buddy.
Yeah.
I'm converting him. I'm converting him over. So let's see what else we got.
Yeah, I think overall I just like the height of this build. I think I'm still in that lifestyle where I like anything bigger than like 6 inches, especially. I think over the last couple of years you've seen 6 inches kind of die down to the more like norm as people continue.
I like that he didn't try too hard. What I like. I like how he was able to get a super cool looking truck by keeping a lot of the factory components, but I guess adding the element and the pop of color with the polish against that red, I think that looks sharp.
Yeah. All right, next up on the left, that's a hot Johnny right there. We got 2018 Ram 2500 TIS 544s in the red in a 2414 -76, Nitto Ridge Grappler in a 37 13.5, and he's got a zone suspension lift of 6.5 inches. This truck pops.
Clean truck.
That thing's hot.
I like the splash of color already.
Yeah. He's got slight rub at full turn. Minor metal trimming. He removed 3 inches off the plastic well and pinch welds. No spacers, and that pretty much sums it up for some details.
You would expect slight rubbing with that setup, but it's really clean.
Yeah, it looks like a light bar in the front bumper.
Again, factory bumper.
Yeah, these new Rams, you can really utilize I'm a huge factory bumper. Like everyone keeps asking me about my truck.
Yeah. I mean, there are great options out there for bumpers, but these OEM bumpers are very, very clean. They're meant to be, after all. And if you do the color matching and things like that, and then implementing the LED bars, it goes a long ways. I think it looks sharp.
He's also got the red in the tow hooks to match the TISs, which I think was a fantastic option.
I love the color pops.
Yeah, absolutely. That's pretty much all we got to say on that one. Up against this one is a 2011 Toyota Tacoma. Runs some XD 136s in a 20x12 -44. He's got some Dick Extreme Country 35 12.5s.
Dick C-Pex, yeah.
Yeah, and then he's got the Pro Comp suspension lift of 6 inches. I really dig these wheels.
I like that setup.
Yeah, these wheels are hot. He's got the Pro Comp suspension lift 6 inches, no rubbing or scrubbing, no trimming, no spacers. It's actually pretty impressive being a Toyota that he literally has no issues with fitment. And then details, he's got 3-inch body lift.
Toyotas are always surprising people.
They are. That's
where I started. Did you know that?
Really?
Yes.
What'd you have?
Toyotas. Tundras.
Really?
I've owned several Tundras. and that's where I got my start.
I can't get down with the Tundras.
Dude, I'm telling you.
You can't fit big setups.
Bro, for gas trucks, I crap you not, dude. I don't know what we can say on here, but I tell you what, dude, gasoline applications, Toyota, it leaps and bounds over the other guys.
Really?
Hands down, and I've owned them all.
Dang.
That one's got a little squat to it.
Yeah, it does have a little bit of squat, light bar up front as well, just like the Ram.
I don't know if I'm feeling that little graphic on the back, though.
Yeah, it's something.
I mean, he has a pop of color there, but I don't see it anywhere else.
Yeah, the rest is pretty neutral colors. He's got the dad cap on the back.
The dad cap.
Yeah, the dad cap,
He does have a nice light bar, though.
Yeah, I do dig the light bar.
I think I'm ready, though.
All right, I'm ready as well. 3, 2, 1, left. You just can't beat these
You're
trucks.
copying me, dude.
No, I'm not copying. We're saying at the
This
same
guy is
time.
copying me.
We're saying at the same time.
Okay, but
Come
anyways,
on, look
what
at that
I
thing.
love about that one is the diesel.
Yeah.
And where I'm from, you can't go wrong with the diesel. I love the diesels. Hats off to the Toyota because I'm a big fan of the Toyota.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, when it comes to a clean diesel,
Yeah.
can't beat it. That guy can tow the world. You know, that guy, he can go places, but
Yeah.
I mean, about where it stops.
Absolutely. I'm a big fan, especially when it comes to like Toyota. Tacoma's about as far as I'll dip into that. I really dig like even like the mid-sized trucks, but I think overall, once again, show style. That's who I am. I think the big diesel Ram is just next round. Look at that thing. All right, we got a 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty running Archon Off-Road Alexanders in 2414 -81. Some AMP Mud Terrain Attack MTs in a 37 13.5 and the BDS suspension lift of 6 inches. These things look huge. Only on 6 inches. It's wild. Right there, it's got the BDS 6-inch 4-link. It's got slight rub at full turn, minor plastic trimming. Front valence and rear fender liners were trimmed. No spacers, and that pretty much sums it up. As I was saying, 6 inches goes a long way, especially on these Super Duties.
Does it now?
It does go a long way, let me tell you, brother. If you look behind, like this is 8 inches, and this is
But that's
pretty,
a diesel.
it's a pretty large truck.
That's a diesel.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I mean, that's a diesel too, so
Yeah.
I guess, I mean, that's probably a pretty big truck. They sit pretty high from the factory.
Yeah, exactly. I really dig this color. I don't think this color's factory. I've seen multiple trucks
I
with
think
this
it's factory,
color.
but you don't see it a lot.
Yeah, you like rarely see it.
It's clean. I like
That
the
front
setup.
end.
No, it's clean. I love the LED look on that. Like
Yeah.
that, to me, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And you probably don't know this because we just met today, but the 17 and up Super Duty is literally what I'm chasing. It's literally what I want to buy after
That's
my
on the
Silverado.
checklist for you, huh?
Yes, it's 100%. I know after my Silverado, I'm buying the 17 and up F-250. So like anytime I see them on here, I become biased. But I really love these things, and like I said, only 6
Well,
inches.
I guess this one's over.
Yeah, maybe.
Poor guy
Have
over
you
here.
seen this one on the right?
I've
though?
seen it.
All right, come on. 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 on the right. We got Archon Off-Roads as well. This time a Lincoln in 2414 -81. AMP Mud Terrain Attack MTs as well in a 35 13.5 and a rough country suspension lift of 7 inches. Some details. He's got the 7-inch bracket kit, slight rub at full turn, minor metal trimming. He did do a NorCal mod, which I think is like a major metal trimming. You take a lot off in the NorCal mod. So no spacers. He's got engine and transmission tune. He's got an intake, and he's also got dual exhaust as well. I think overall, though, super clean build on this GMC. I think
clean.
the all white and the chrome.
You love that plain, nice, clean
Yes,
look.
I do. I really, really
I've
do.
got that from you.
Yeah, the lighting is super sick. The front end, I mean, it just looks so mean.
You're into all that lighting underneath and the
Yeah.
color.
I mean, I'm into like the white lighting. I'm not a huge like color lighting guy, but
I would agree with you. If I'm doing any type of underglows, it's traditionally
yeah.
one color.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the front end looks sick. The tow mirrors, even like the back bar. Overall, just this is
a clean truck.
Oh man, this is so hard. All right, 3, 2, 1, left.
Again, we're in the diesel versus gas
Yeah.
thing. I lean that way only because on the gas application truck, like I feel like he doesn't have enough tire. Some people like that. Me personally, not into that.
Yep.
So he's kind of got rubber band theme going on here. I feel like he got a little bit more meat on the tires
Yeah.
on the Ford. And again, I lean towards the diesel anyway. So
Yep.
he just had the slight edge there.
Absolutely. I think for me, one, I pretty much just gave it away that I really want one of these trucks.
You're hard for Ford, I get it.
Yeah. And two, I'm currently running a 2414 with a 37 13.5, and I love the meaty setup. But I think at the end of the day, you know, the lighting on the front end of the Ford, being a diesel, being the truck that I want next, just takes the cake. All right, final round. You ready?
Let's do this.
All right, man. On the left, we got a 2016 Ford F-250 Super Duty. We're on the Havoc H109s. I haven't seen Havocs in a hot minute, and they're still a popular brand. 20x12s, -44, Toyo Tire Open Country MTs, and a 38 15.5, and a suspension lift
So
from
wide
FabTech.
setup.
Yeah, from FabTech, 8-inch lift. Looks like he's got the...
FabTech does great on Fords, by the way.
Yeah, he's got the Dirt Logic coilover system, 8-inch adjustable, dual steering stabilizer, ride and feels like a lifted stock truck.
So he can beat his truck up and it still should be fine.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's got a good setup.
I think FabTech and like the Dirt Logic coilovers have been killing the game.
They do really well on Fords.
Yeah, no rubbing or scrubbing, minor plastic trimming, no spacers. He's got a ton of details.
I like what he says in his details.
Yeah.
His DPF system fell off in Mexico.
Yeah.
I like this guy. He's got a sense of humor.
Yeah, 5-inch straight pipe, cold air intake, deleted.
So it's pretty much telling us that he's got way more than just looks going.
Yeah.
He's actually got a little performance.
Amp saps, bed cover, recon lighting. He also wants to do, in the future, he wants to do some taillights, some recon third brake lights, some LEDs all around, upgraded sound system. He wants to do a bunch of LED stuff, cubes, intercooler piping.
This guy's about the details. I like him.
Yeah.
Pretty clean. I mean, I would like to see a little bit more from that front end in means of that grille and that shroud combo, but
yep.
I mean, other than that, I mean, it's a mean looking truck.
Absolutely. All right, well, on our right, we got something that's going to feel a little close to home for you. We got a 2015 Toyota Tundra.
Yeah.
And the XD825s, the 20x12 -44.
I ran that same exact combo way back in the day.
Really?
Yeah.
He's got the Toyota Tire Open Country AT2s in a 35 12.5 and the Rough Country suspension lift of 6 inches. Past that, slight rub at full turn, minor plastic trimming, no spacers. He's got a supercharger. He's also got rear airbags for towing.
See?
And he's got more to come.
This guy knows what's up.
Yeah. So he's got the power. He's setting up for towing, purpose built. So. All right. I think I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Right.
Left. We finally disagree.
I had to disagree with you on this one, man. You got to give the Toyota some love. I feel like it's thrown to the wolves way too often, guys. Toyota people out there, I love you. Much love from me. That Ford's cool and all, and had a lot of cool features, and I loved it, and I knew you were going to go opposite of me on this one.
I had to. I'm slowly warming up to them. I think
a lot of power. Those 5.7 Crew Maxes have a lot of room, and they have a lot of power, guys. Like, the cool feature about it, the back window rolls all the way down, too. Did you know that?
Yeah, I knew that.
That's
gangster.
Sick.
Yeah,
like,
that's sick.
5 windows that roll down.
Yeah, that is sick. Especially if you're towing something and you don't want to break out your back glass or something, or you just want to roll down an extra window and really get that airflow going.
Cruising where I'm from at the beach, 5 windows down, man.
Yeah, you know, we got like...
I would not go anywhere. It's way too cold, you guys.
We got like...
I'm in Wisconsin right now, and let me tell you, it is cold here. I was not prepared for this.
You got sandbanks, we got snowbanks. What's up? What's wrong with that?
We win. I'm not into the snow.
Once again, thank you guys. I want to thank Chris for coming out, Truck Guru. Check him out. And if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, CustomOffsets.com. We'll see you guys on the next one.